Another question about transparent paint. All right, here we go. Let's go and show you guys. And see, oh, we got 1, 2, 3. All right, we got all the colors here. Let's put on these bad boys are super tight because these hands are big. You know how that means. Get this glass and let's show you guys the different levels of transparency. We have a candy. That's going to be the first coat. We're shaking this bad boy up. Here's 1 coat of a candy. And now we're going to get ready and shoot another coat. And this is a coat of our candy base coat. And here's a coat of the base coat. So we're trying to show you guys the different levels of everything. Here's the second coat of our candy. And now we're going to get the candy base coat. That's 2 coats right there. And 2 coats of our solid red. And we're not done. We're going to go for the third one. Boom, laying it down. You guys can see 3 coats and that candy's still super transparent. And here we have the candy base coat. And here's our solid red. So I'm sure everybody's asking what color these are. It's candy apple red, candy, our seductive red, chili red. So here I'm showing you a speed shape behind each one. I wanted to show you the transparency. You see how you can't see through that chili red? You can kind of see a little bit through the seductive red and you can see completely through the candy red. That's the difference between our colors and what they do in transparency. Pow, don't send me any more emails.